Good morning, Miss. Oh, this is almost afternoon, yeah, at 12. Okay, good day, Miss. So, um, since there's no more Pictionary, right, in this week? Yeah. So I will ask from Sanskrit. So can you explain about the Sanskrit that you explained for this week?
Okay, for this week we have entered the new sounds. It's about t and t, v and v, and then w. So there are three sounds, actually for five sounds, but two of them seems like the sounds that we did last week. Same written, but the way to mention are different. In example, like th. If th in front, we mention it as the. But if th at the back, we spell
Example?
it as t. Okay. So for th at in front, like thumb, but th at the back, like tit, tit. Okay, like bat.
What else? Examples? Only one?
Bat, teeth, bat,
Like
yeah.
at in front, yeah.
And in
If
front,
you
like thumb,
thumb,
and then thin, thick, and then like for uh, v, v is like voodoo, vond.
I mean,
V is
like
for
just now there are two. The.
the,
So at first,
at the first in front, and the second is at the back. At the first in
examples?
front, the example is like thin, the in thin, the it thick.
Behind,
And behind, like bat, 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 bat. Teeth, cloth.
oh yeah.
And then for
P.
p, yeah, v. For in
P
front,
or V?
v.
V.
For in front, we spell it as v, like vodo, vond, but ph at the back.
So you mean like phone like that?
Vone, because from the track like that. Von, yeah, Von, Vodo.
Phone?
Yes, won't. Because the track is like that. We just followed from the application, miss.
Oh yeah.
Von, v. And Vodo, photo, Vodo. Not poto, not poto, but Vodo, Vond. And then, is it wrong, miss, according to you? Because
Because I've never heard that. Like, because if we want to say something like phone, not phone. What do you think?
I don't know, because the track give the example how to mention it like that. We just follow the applications. We just follow the book. We just follow the audio.
Even we make versions for the sound, right?
Won't,
Not
vodo.
phone, right?
And then for p at the back, ph at the back, like grab, Ralph,
Wait, yeah.
okay.
Phone,
Vond,
phone,
Phone.
like that. Not
Phone.
Von,
not phone. Are you sure?
phone,
Phone. That's not heavy.
Von,
Not phone.
phone,
Phone. That.
not for. Can you?
Okay then. Okay, we move to the next. We will find out later.
Ralph, grab for p at the back. Ralph, grab. Something like that.
Help.
Yeah.
No.
Help is
yeah.
not ph.
P, yeah.
P. Grab, Ralph. Okay, Ralph is like
Photograph, like that.
yeah.
Photograph.
Photograph. Ralph is from someone's name. That's the example of p. And then for w, like whale, white. That's the example sounds of
Wheel.
wheel. Wheel.
Okay, there are 3 sounds more here. No, 4. There are 4 sounds more. Reviewing.
Review. This week is not reviewing, miss.
You put here, you review the homework.
Reviewing homework is reviewing homework is reviewing the previous homework.
Yes. I mean the sounds. What
The
is that?
sounds of reviewing homework. We
Still
put
remember?
yeah, we put the previous sounds like for the sounds for the previous sounds is like sma, sna, sta, and then our previous sounds like yesterday, sh, and then sh, something like that.
Like how to make the sound like C and H. Sh, ch, ch.
Chop, chop.
But you focus to the sounds
week
grid just now that
first,
you have
yeah,
explained,
unit
like
7
the,
first.
like that.
For reviewing, actually, we do it next week.
Oh.
Reviewing by applications, special activity, and homework. That's for next week.
It's for next week. Okay, for little step.
Yes, we still talk about daily routine.
Yeah, daily routine.
Yes.
I mean, the topic is same with previous week, right?
Yeah,
So
daily
how can you develop this? How did you develop this?
based on the picture of the page. And
What is it
then we
about?
just develop
What is the picture about?
the pictures for this week. It's talk about daily routine like get up, wake, and then brush teeth. Still talk about the activity that the activity of the students do every day. But some of them for this week we did like subtractions, and then we put the stickers. We stick the stickers, but still miss the vocabulary. Still talk about like that. Get dressed, take a bath, and then get up.
Okay,
have
so what
lunch.
did they respond when you ask? Okay, students, what is your favorite activity in a day? Okay, or what activity that you don't like?
They could answer by saying their favorite activity. When I asked them like, what is your favorite activity in a day? Some of them say they like to have lunch. Some of them said that like they like to playing with their sister or little brother. Some of them said they like to go to school. Some of them also like said like they like to have a bath, get dressed, and something like that. They have their own answer to
So for
answer.
activity that they don't like, how is it?
In example, like Miss, I don't like to. Miss, I don't like if I wake up in the morning. That's the answers from. I remember that the student is Steve. I don't like wake up in the morning, Miss, because I am lazy, and then I am sleepy. And then the second one is like Carson's. I don't like to brush my teeth, and I say, why did you hate to brush your teeth? That's for your health. Okay, then I will brush my teeth every day. He said like that.
Okay. Okay, the little step again, this is about helping mom or dad after school.
Yeah. That's only the questions and the model answers. But when I ask them, do you like to help your mom? Yes, miss. Some of them say, yes, I like to help my mom. An example, like I like to clean the bathroom. But like a boy said, I never help my mom, something like that. Like Carson's, like Calvary Cochet, maybe or another one, say, Miss, I never help my mom. Even you never help your mom to cook or clean something else around your room. In example, like you see the rubbish, you put into the dustbin.
Oh, you say that.
Yes. In example, like you see something dirty, you clean that space, and then they said for that I always my mom always teach me how to put the rubbish in the dustbin, Miss, for sweeping the floor. My mom never allowed me to do that because my mom said I'm still kid or something like that. But I mean like they know how to answer my questions. It's not based on the model answer, but they are able to answer some questions based on the topic. For example, like if I ask, do you like blah blah blah, they will say I like. If the answer they can mention if they like, they can mention if they don't like, and they can give the reason. I always ask in example like
Did you ask them like this? Did you emphasize them like when I ask, do you? So if you want to answer yes, you will answer yes, I do.
Yes,
No,
in
no, I
example,
don't.
like I teach them, guys, when Miss Mesia asks you, do you like blah blah blah? You have to mention if you like, you say yes, I like. If you don't like, don't say Miss I don't like, but say I do not like, or you can say I don't like that.
Or yes, I do only, it's okay.
Yeah.
Because the start question is,
Do you? Do you?
Okay, so rainbow science. This is about push and pull. Can you
Yeah.
please explain this?
Push and pull. Okay, push is an activity. If we do something, makes things far away from us. In example, like when we are pushing the door, we push the door, so the space of the door will far from our body. That is push. But if pull is when you do when you pull something, like you do the activities that make a things getting closer with you. In example like this, guys, uh, like when I push the bottle, I have to, like, I take the bottle. When I pull the bottle from here, then I pull it. It means the bottle is getting closer with my body. But when I push it, I push to that table, like that. It means the positions of the bottle will far away from my body. So guys, so we have to remember, push is the activity that makes a things far away from us. If pull, it can make a things getting closer with us.
So the example you
The
put
example
the bottle.
the example, yeah, the example from the battle, but another example from the book, like pushing the pram, pushing the door, pulling the window, pulling the rope,
I mean in front of the bottle.
pushing the battle, like pushing the door and pull the door. The easiest way to give the example, really, I give the example by pushing and pulling the door, miss.
Okay.
And pushing the chair, pulling the chair.
Okay, chair also ya.
The chair.
Oke, for ASP bahasa. Temanya ini tentang pekerjaan. Apa yang Miss jelaskan lebih dalam lagi di sini? Karena kan topiknya sama dengan minggu lalu ya, ASP bahasa.
Kalau di tema tentang pekerjaan ya, ASP bahasa itu bercerita tentang apa jika kamu sudah tumbuh besar, kamu ingin menjadi apa gitu? Apa cita-cita yang apa cita-cita yang kamu punya? Apa pekerjaan yang kamu inginkan? Contohnya mereka mau jadi dokter, mereka mau jadi polisi, atau mereka mau jadi guru, seperti itu.
Miss tanyakan nggak apa yang pekerjaan yang tidak kamu sukai begitu?
Ada kayak contohnya gini, Miss, pekerjaan apa yang tidak kamu sukai? Model answernya seperti pemadam kebakaran, karena saya tidak suka melihat api dan merasa panas. Tapi mereka bebas untuk menjawab beberapa pertanyaan yang mereka menjawab jawaban yang mereka punya. Contohnya, apa pekerjaan yang kamu tidak sukai? Penyanyi, Miss, saya tidak suka karena saya tidak bisa menyanyi, seperti itu. Kayak contohnya pemain bola atau petenis, Miss, seperti yang dicontoh bukan petenis. Kenapa kamu tidak suka petenis? Karena saya tidak bisa main tenis, Miss. Dan kalaupun mereka besoknya, Miss, kalaupun mereka tidak bisa jawab, kayak mereka kan masih kecil dan untuk memberitahu pekerjaan apa yang mereka tidak suka itu sangat sangat tidak terlintas di pikiran mereka untuk memikirkan apa pekerjaan yang nggak mereka sukai. Jadi the easiest way, saya harus kasih pilihan. Contohnya, di antara 3 pekerjaan ini, dokter, penyanyi, dan guru. Mana yang tidak kamu sukai? Kamu lebih tidak suka mana? Dokter, penyanyi, atau guru? Contohnya, mereka jawabnya penyanyi. Kenapa? Pasti mereka punya jawaban sendiri, karena saya tidak bisa nyanyi, atau saya tidak suka dokter,
Saya nggak
Miss.
bagus gitu ya.
Iya, karena saya misalnya saya tidak mau menjadi dokter, Miss. Kenapa? Karena saya takut jarum suntik. Nah, seperti itu.
Oke, jadi setelah Miss menjelaskan tentang topik ini, apa yang mereka dapat gitu? Setelah Miss menanyakan mereka apa sih pekerjaan yang mereka tidak suka, apa yang mereka dapatkan, apa yang Miss tekankan dari sini?
Oke, jadi yang saya tekankan itu setiap pekerjaan memiliki fungsinya masing-masing dan kita tuh kita tuh setiap diri kita tuh punya keahlian, Nak. Contohnya, kamu memiliki keahlian menyanyi. Jadi kamu nanti besar kalau kamu mau jadi penyanyi, kamu bisa. Atau kamu pintar, kamu suka belajar, suka baca buku, kamu bisa jadi guru. Atau kamu penyayang binatang, kamu bisa jadi dokter hewan seperti itu. Jadi mereka bisa mengembangkan imajinasi mereka tentang pekerjaan-pekerjaan yang mereka ketahui gitu, Miss. Dan mereka juga tahu fungsi-fungsi dari setiap pekerjaan yang mereka tahu itu apa gitu.
Oke. Jadi sejauh ini mereka sudah paham lah ya.
Tentang pekerjaan dan jenis-jenis pekerjaan.
Iya.
Sudah
Misalnya
paham.
kayak misalnya seperti guru, fungsi guru itu apa dan posisi guru itu di mana gitu, apakah di
Oke.
sekolah apa di mana,
Iya.
misalnya gitu.
Contohnya kayak bisa diberi pertanyaan kayak sebutkan 3 pekerjaan yang kamu ketahui. Contohnya guru, dokter, dan polisi. Bisa dikembangkan dengan menurut kamu apa sih fungsi guru? Guru fungsinya untuk mengajar anak murid. By the way, di mana kalian bisa menemukan guru? Sama seperti kayak pedagang minggu lalu. Di mana kalian bisa menemukan pedagang? Mereka akan jawab, kita bisa menemukan pedagang di pasar. Nah, kalau guru kita bisa menjumpai guru di sekolah. Dan pekerjaan lainnya seperti polisi, kita bisa menjumpai Pak Polisi di jalan raya dan di kantor polisi. Lalu dokter, kita bisa menjumpai dokter di rumah sakit. Apa fungsi dokter? Apa manfaat dokter? Dokter berfungsi untuk menyembuhkan orang sakit. Seperti itu.
Oke, ini ASP Science juga berhubungan juga ya.
Iya, Miss.
Jadi
Karena
ini
di ASP
ini
Sains, bahasa, matematika itu sama
sama
temanya.
ya. Jadi ini yang Miss jelaskan ini bagaimana tentang kenapa Miss memilih hanya dokter di sini?
Kemarin kan udah pedagang, Miss. Nah, ganti-ganti gitu. Jadi kemarin itu pernah penjahit, pedagang, dokter. Dan apa namanya ya, untuk di lembar aktivitas mereka itu mungkin pada saat yang lagi dikerjakan ini, yang lagi sedang dibahas dokter ini, gambar yang sangat dominan itu adalah gambar dokter.
Gambar dokter.
Iya. Jadi
kalian memilih dokter saja.
iya,
gitu.
gambar dominan yang relate sama lembar aktivitas yang sedang dibahas gitu. Jadi terciptanya checkpoint question itu dari gambar-gambar dominan yang ditemui di lembar aktivitas siswa. Jadi itu bisa relate, bisa berhubungan sama lembar kegiatan mereka. Gitu.
Jadi bagaimana ini Miss menjelaskan ini tentang dokter membutuhkan stetoskop?
Iya. Jadi contohnya di rumah sakit kita bisa menemukan dokter, kita bisa menjumpai dokter karena tugas dokter itu bisa membantu kita untuk menyembuhkan penyakit. Dan ada beberapa alat-alat yang digunakan oleh dokter untuk mengecek kondisi badan kita. Contohnya apa? Stetoskop. Stetoskop itu berguna untuk apa? Nah, untuk mengecek detak jantung kita, denyut nadi kita. Dokter juga membutuhkan masker. Dokter juga membutuhkan jarum suntik. Nah, jarum suntik itu berfungsi untuk memasukkan cairan atau obat ke dalam tubuh kita. Jadi, kita tidak perlu minum obat lagi. Kita tidak perlu kalau seperti biasa kita harus minum tablet, obat yang berbentuk tablet, berbentuk sirup. Nah, kalau kita dengan jarum suntik, itu cairan sudah bisa masuk langsung ke dalam darah kita dan berfungsi dengan baik di badan kita, Nak. Jadi kita terkadang ada orang yang setelah disuntik dia akan merasa bugar lagi seperti itu. Jadi jarum suntik itu adalah temannya dokter, tidak. Jadi dokter itu membutuhkan alat-alat seperti jarum suntik dan stetoskop untuk bekerja.
Jadi untuk pertanyaan kedua, pekerjaan apa yang berhubungan dengan hewan? Jadi Miss menjelaskan bagian-bagian dokter gitu, maksudnya dokter itu tidak hanya dokter umum gitu.
Dokter itu ada banyak jenisnya, nah ada dokter gigi, ada dokter hewan, ada dokter kandungan. Nah, untuk 3 dokter ini dia itu punya fungsinya masing-masing, punya tugasnya masing-masing. Kalau dokter
Dokter apa tadi?
hewan,
Dokter gigi.
dokter gigi, dokter hewan, dokter kandungan, dan dokter umum.
Dokter umum.
Nah, kalau dokter hewan itu gunanya jika kita memiliki hewan peliharaan, kita bisa bawa hewan peliharaan kita ke dokter hewan. Contohnya, kamu punya anjing atau punya kucing di rumah dan anjing atau kucing kamu itu sakit, nak. Kamu bisa bawa ke dokter hewan. Kayak contohnya dokter gigi. Dokter gigi itu menyembuhkan bagian gigi kita. Jadi jika kita merasakan sakit gigi atau kita mau mencopot bagian gigi kita, kita bisa pergi ke dokter gigi. Dokter kandungan itu adalah dokter yang membantu mami kita melahirkan. Contohnya kalau kalian punya adik, mami kalian masih mengandung dan adiknya mau keluar, nah saat itu juga mami akan pergi ke dokter kandungan agar mami bisa melahirkan dibantu sama dokter kandungan. Satu lagi itu dokter umum. Dokter umum itu dia bisa mengecek kondisi kesehatan semua orang. Jadi contohnya kalau kita sakit, kita perginya ke dokter umum. Nah, contohnya kamu tuh sedang merasakan sakit pusing atau demam atau batuk, kita pergi ke dokter umum untuk mengecek kondisi badan kita.
Oke. Jadi Miss ada jelaskan juga tentang dokter kandungan ya, bukan hanya dokter hewan ya.
Ya kadang sometimes itu additional explanation itu bisa aja terjadi, Miss. Penjelasan-penjelasan tambahan itu bisa aja terjadi.
Iya. Okay. So for project, what will you do
tomorrow?
What will you do?
Okay, for project we will make a Valentine's card.
Valentine's card?
Yes.
Why do you choose Valentine's card?
Because tomorrow is Valentine's, right? It's Valentine's
Because
Day.
of that.
Yeah, we always celebrate every moment, right? And that's the best part for doing art and craft and relate with the days we choose to make Valentine's card. Same like if Mother's Day, we will make art and craft about Mother's Day. Like Ramadan, Imlek, we will make art and craft about that day.
Okay, so what do you need for this one?
Carton paper, origami paper, some glue.
You need 2 of them.
Yes, because for carton paper it's for the base of the card. So black carton paper, we will put black carton paper as the base, and then we put the half-as paper, white paper. Then for the white paper, it's for the base that we will write Happy Valentine's Day. And then for origami, we will create like a heart shape.
So you mean the because origami has the various color?
Yeah, but we just choose the pink one or the red one. We just choose 2 colors, red and pink. Because
But for the base will be
black
paper.
Yeah, black carton paper.
Oh, the black color.
Black color. And then the white pepper.
Oh,
White pepper.
you mean HBS?
Yeah, half-as paper. Half-as paper for to write the sentence like Happy Valentine's Day, 14 February, something like that.
So they will write down by themselves.
Yes.
So besides that, what will you ask them to do? Folding or what? Folding paper maybe?
Folding paper, no. We just ask them to stick the paper. In example, to stick the heart shape. We ask them to stick around. Heart, love shape.
Heart means terluka, right?
Yeah, heart. Heart shape. We stick the.
Oh, you have made it. You have made the shape.
For the base, like carton paper, heart shape, we prepare it from home, yes. Because if we made it at the class, it will waste the time and then spend much time. So we decide to prepare it at home. Then the student just stick on the card, and then
they will
just
stick on
the card, stick the heart shape, and then write the sentence.
The sentence is up to them.
Happy
Or
Valentine's Day.
You ask them
I will write on the whiteboard, on the touchboard, that they will follow.
Oh, okay. Besides this, is there any maybe
Nothing.
special activity or
No special activity for this week.
next week?
Next week, because next week is review week.
Okay. Alright, I think it's enough for the evaluation for today because there's no dictionary also. Yeah, you pass in this evaluation, Miss.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Okay, Miss.